to Altus channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off your video autoplay on LinkedIn. Let me show you what it means. Now when you open your LinkedIn account, okay, you can see if you're using a laptop, automatically there's some videos they're going to show here. They're going to autoplay. For example, you can see this one that is playing without even autoplay.
How fonts influence a brand's personality. Sans serif like how fonts influence a brand's personality.
Which means that when you ask it to play that it's play automatically. Now let me show you how to turn it off. What you need to do is click on the profile picture here. Just click on it, scroll down here to see your settings. Click on your settings here. The next thing you're going to do when you reach your settings is let's wait for it to load. You can also use the same for your iPhone and your PC, which is your pla or your computer. Now what you need to do is click on this your account preferences here. Once you click on this account preferences, the next step you're going to do is scroll down here and you see your autoplay video. Click on autoplay video. Now you can do three methods. You can say never autoplay your video. It will never autoplay. You can say Wi-Fi connection only. That means if you're or maybe someone share hotspot for you, then the video is going to play automatically. And you can say only on mobile and your Wi-Fi connection. Whether someone share a hotspot and you're using your own data, the video is going to play directly by themselves. And if you click never autoplay, just click on this and you go back. Let me show you that the video is not going to play never by itself. Now let me show you. Now let me go back to the video and you can see the video is not going to
and
play
when you
by
extend
itself.
this point like this,
now you can see there is this button play. Except I touch this play before the video play, you'll see that it's going to start playing now. Before you can see, so when you scroll up, no video is going to play by himself except you touch it to play before it plays. So it's very easy. And if you want to turn it off, you can go back and turn it on, so that you'll be able to play automatically by himself. So guys, if this video really helps you, drop a comment, like and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in my next video.